Mille RM 5003 Tourbillon split seconds chronograph McLaren F1 watch with caliber RM 5003 manual winding tourbillon movement with hours, minutes, split seconds chronograph 30 minutes totalizer and power reserve torque and functions indicator produced in calibrations with the famed Formula F1 construction. The RM5003 is a technical masterpiece offering unrivaled mechanical performance. Weighing less than 40 grams, included the strap. It was also lightest mechanical chronograph ever made on its release. The physical properties of carbon are significantly enhanced by introduction of graphene and revolutionary non-material that's 6 times lighter and 200 times stronger than steel. The McLaren Technology Group and McLaren F1 made it possible for us to consider this material as a means significantly lower the density of our carbon composite while increasing its resistance. The movement performance and the quality of the energy delivered can be easily read via colored indicators denoting the 70 hours power reserve and torque sensor. The hollow chronograph pushers evoke the air intake ducts on the McLaren car, while the shape of the crown takes its cue from the racing competition while rims used by the British team.